if I look, maybe I can run this server, and after running this server, if I go to the admin section, so here I have to log in, and here you can see only two fields are available, which are groups and users. So I want to add in the field for adding shape files or deleting shape file. So for that, what I need to do is I need to add this, register this model to the admin panel. So for that, I can import our model here, import SSP. That means the SSP will be imported through this model, this SSP class. So after that, I can register this admin.site.register and then just name of the RC file. So let's see. Yeah. Now if I refresh this, so SSP will be appear here. So if I click on SSP and then if I click on add SSP, then I can add this file directly through admin panel. So maybe name will be let's say name will be test, and description will be test description, and then file will be maybe for now I'll just maybe file will be here in data. Okay, the in the zip file. Django means it's the Django file, and uploaded date will be automatically generated because we put the default value. So just let's save it, and now it's saved. So we successfully implemented this feature. So that means we can just upload our zip file, but it's not going anywhere. So it's just stored inside the our model here. It creates the this date structure folder automatically, and then the file will be stored here, and the file location will be stored in the database. So if I refresh this, our actual data will be listed now inside the SSP table. So here the file location will be available, and then this uploaded date, our entire thing will be appear, looks like this. So okay, that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next.